How to log out of the Epic account on Fortnite. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to log out of the Epic account on Fortnite. First, navigate to the web browser and reach the Epic Games Store website. Now, hit the sign in button and enter your email address and password. You can also continue with Google by choosing your Google account. Here, you will sign into your account on Epic Games Store. After that, click on your account and select the account option. On the left panel, click on Apps and Accounts. Next, you will find all the apps and accounts where you've connected. Lastly, select Fortnite and hit the Remove button to log out of the Epic account on Fortnite. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.